Waiting spoil for this kind of engine component. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Alright,
Welcome.
thank you. This my car has been giving me issues. I don't know. I wanted to check what is wrong with it.
Okay, let's check. Open the bonnet.
It is open already.
Oga.
You don't see it.
I don't see the fault. Hey. Don't worry. I know what to do now. Let me bring my box. Okay, come sit down.
Thank you.
Oga,
Yes.
I don't detect the fault.
Okay, so waiting do one.
You give me 150,000 to go and buy the thing.
150,000.
Oh yes, sir.
Waiting spoil for inside.
Okay, I don't check out now. You go give me money, let me go and buy the thing. Where spoil inside this motor.
So you go
Put.
call money, I go just give you money like that, make you go buy. Waiting spoil inside my car, make I go buy am come now.
Okay, you not go know wetin spoil inside this car.
Okay,
Give me
so waiting
money.
spoil now, don't get them.
You be mechanic.
Tell me something, make I go buy come now. You dey waste my time. I get where to go.
Oga, I tell you, give me money, make you go buy this thing. Come.
See, I know they do like that. Tell me waiting spoil, I go buy am come.
Close. Oga,
Yes.
I tell you, make you give me money, make I go buy these things.
I tell you, make you give me more. Make you tell me waiting spoil for the car.
Oga,
Go buy am.
wetin spoil for this car na engine component.
Engine waiting.
Engine component.
I never hear that one before. Engine konku.
Yes, sir.
Where I go see and buy?
Go the place now where they sell car parts. Go there.
For mechanic village.
Go there. You go see.
You know what? They come. 150,000.
Yes, sir.
No,
Na everything wey una dey sabi. Una no wan make another person chop. Una dey government house dey chop money. Hello, Emeka. Dey hear me now? Okay. In get one useless man wey dey chop government money, no wan give me small joy. Now, I don't think I'm saying make him go buy engine component. I know say him no go see buy. If I carry am come your shop, you know how we dey do now. Give me alternator here. You dey hear me now? Okay.
boy, I don't work at the whole mechanic village tire. I no see whether na engine konku you call am. I don't check all the shop for mechanic village.
Oga, if I tell you say make you give me money, make I go buy that thing. I go buy things where you dey go delay. I go do this thing come back. You don't go cover yourself. You no be mechanic. Give me money, make I go buy the thing come.
See wetin there. Waka with me, make we go buy am.
No wahala now, no wahala. Make we go. Emeka, now bia.
Apa, you don't come.
Yeah, Aba, give me engine component.
Okay. No be the same engine company wey I don come out. You talk say you know dey.
Okay, you no call am well now. You no call am well.
You no call am well.
You no call am well.
You call am well.